The sounds of English. Vowels. I, A, E, I, O, U. Sometimes Y. A gives sounds A. E gives sounds A. I gives sounds E. O gives sounds A. U gives sounds A. Consonants. B, C, D, F, G, H. I, J, K, L. M, N, P, Q, R, S, T. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. B gives sounds B. C gives sounds K. D gives sounds D. F, G gives sounds F. G gives sounds G. H gives sounds H. J gives sounds J. K gives sounds K. L gives sounds L. Then M gives sounds M. N gives sounds N. P gives sounds P. Q gives sounds P. Then R, R, S, S, T, T, V, V, W, V, X, Z, Y, Y. Then Z, Z. Then APPLE. Apple. We are saying here apple, not because we are saying here A, but then we are saying apple. We are not saying apple. But apple. APPLE. Here, here this vowels. We are saying this A, but here apple. A. This gives sounds A. A. Apple. Apple. BALL. B. Here is sound B. B. Ball. Then cat. Cat gives sounds C gives sounds K. K. Not this is not giving S. Right. Then dog. Dog sounds gives D gives sounds D. D. Dog. Okay. And some hat. 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 Pan. BED. 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 Right. Six. Six. This one. Like this. These are called phonics. How to we are compare sounds and how we are speak out. Thanks to gives this opportunity, ma'am.